To that wild ride on Wall Street, the markets have just been crazy over the past few days.
Yeah, and today trading is expected to resume for GameStop.
Yep.
Yesterday, an app called Robinhood and other online exchanges restricted the purchase of GameStop because of the volatility. Well, that decision caused the share price to tumble. Many long-term investors had been upset that the price of GameStop stock had been soaring after investors on a Reddit message board kept buying up shares, which pumped up the price. After yesterday's moves, there was fast backlash from small-time investors who said they felt cheated.
They're basically saying, we'll let the big boys keep playing, but the little guys have to sit this one out now.
There was also bipartisan backlash from politicians. Get this, both Democratic Congresswoman Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez and Senator Ted Cruz, they're both calling for an investigation into Robinhood's decision to block the trades. New Jersey and Pennsylvania attorneys general, they're also looking into the issue.
Well, you've probably been seeing the headlines of market mayhem on Wall Street, and you're probably wondering what's happening. Well, we're going to explain. It's going to take a little bit of Friday math for you. Hedge fund managers, they borrow stock and bet that the price is going to drop in order to make money. So let's say that a hedge fund borrows a stock, sells it to someone else for $10. Then the price drops to $5. They buy that back, return it to the lender, and they make $5. Okay, let's flip the scenario around. Imagine if the price goes up. So you sold at $10 but had to buy back at $15. In that case, you are losing $5. So in GameStop's case, big-time Wall Street investors, they borrowed and sold millions of shares at about $7, betting that it would drop. But Reddit users caught wind and decided to fight back and bought that stock and caused it to go 8,000% higher, from $7 to $470, leaving the investors in shock with billions of dollars in losses.
This is incredible. A classic case of the little guy sticking it to the big guy.
Right.
And you can understand their frustration when they locked that, when they stopped the trading on Robinhood and some of the other sites, because they're saying, hey, look, you know, the powers that be, you're choosing the big investors over us. Look what we did, the David versus Goliath. So
that's right. And also the fact that they organized on Reddit.
Yeah.
That's amazing. It's like enough people got together on this one platform and they managed to take over the market.
8,000%. That's nothing to sneeze at.
The lineup is streaming now on the free NBC10 app on Roku and Apple TV. Download the app today to watch.